Yo, what up? It's your boy Kacey Lynch, owner of Bricks&Wood, and you're now entering my newly moved in studio apartment. So let's get it. It was important for me to start, a brand in South Central. For one, I was born and raised here. And I think for me, it was just important to really just showcase the community and the kids that grow up in that area that you can do something that's not so traditional to the typical, rap, sell drugs, or play sports, model that we kind of like grow up in. So for me, it was like, I wanted to showcase art and creativity and just like individualism in within apparel though. I love clothes, so I typically have like a lot of bigger jackets I never get to wear. So it's a brand I like called Luggage. Great designer. I bought this when I worked at Tanner Goods, and yeah, this is just like one of those pieces that just will last me forever. I typically go with these Uni-Blow pants. It's like these nylon fleece on the inside. So they're very warm, very practical. This shirt right here, designed by my brother John Ojo. He has a brand called Little Africa. Nice foxy brown tee. Always gotta bring some nicely branded, simple bricks&wood pieces. This is a old long sleeve I did for CALPAK 2018. I found this at a flea market, and it was just cool because these are actually like actual wood chippings in the actual ring. This is like a paisley ring I got from the Sauce and Swap meet, representing LA. And this is actually my grandfather's crescent ring that he handed down to me. I've actually only been on, to be completely honest, I've been on one true vacation in my entire life. And now it's to Tulum, but I think lately I've realized I have to kind of take a break from work, because it's just good to have that that refreshed mind, for creative drive. I like to bring a wallaby because it's like a good balance between a dress shoe and a casual shoe at the same time. This is a very unusual shoe for me, but as you can tell, I've been rocking the hell out of them. And this is the Yeezy boot. And honestly, it's super comfortable. The color is amazing, that even though it might not match with everything, it still has this kind of off contrast tone that still works. Key essentials, just body butter, and it's amazing. Also use her beard oil, even though my beard's not all the way here yet. Make Lab lotion. Shout out to my boy Grant over at Make Lab. They're based out of Portland. No water gets in here. It's a Swiss canvas, Japanese style, World War II. Y'all know about that. All right, take a break. Go on vacation. Relax. Pause. Think. All those things. Whatever it has to do with the things you do on a day-to-day basis, just do those things, and you'll come back with a whole new mindset, a whole new drive, a whole new everything, and then you'll thank me later.
It went bad.
Shout out to CALPAK for the visit. Unfortunately, our time is done, and I got a flight to catch, so y'all gotta go. Peace.